show you this 10-inch frying pan. I opened it up and was like, wow, like this is very impressive. This is how it kind of comes. So let's get it out. It's never gonna look this clean, you know, of course. I mean, I guess you could always clean these after the fact, but this is the frying pan itself, okay? It's 10-inch frying pan, 5 layers of metal here to basically make sure that it's, you know, continuously or it evenly cooks. This works on ceramic, induction, which I actually was worrying about that it wouldn't work on induction. This is stainless steel. It's made by GLOBALEHOME. But yeah, it's very pretty. Look at that handle. I like this because it kind of gives you a nice grip, you know. It's got a little inlay here for your thumb. And we will be cooking with it, not in this video. You have a little spot to hang it if you want to hang it. This is just like a really pretty, you know, it's weird to say, it's just a very pretty pan and it feels really good. It's definitely got some weight to it, but at the same time, I think it's because of the little finger well here, it actually feels really good and like actually not that heavy in your hand. And this is, the handle is very smooth. So when you hold it, it doesn't like dig in your hand and it just feels good. It's a good balance. You know, I feel like I can definitely cook very well with this. I read the instructions when I first got it. It's saying to basically coat it in flour, which I've never seen before. And I guess that's to get any kind of residual milling or manufacturing grease and stuff off of it, because the flour would kind of suck that up. And then it says clean it multiple times, which of course that's what you're gonna wanna do anyway with any pan. So I'll show you a little bit closer. You kind of see like the design in it, how it kind of, you know, it's circled and kind of goes from there. But yeah, very nice pan, very nice packaging. Something makes you always feel like it's very, very premium, which it is. Yeah, it has a bunch of like instructions here. Stainless steel is can be something that you need to get used to, right? It's not like a stainless steel or anything like that. So very excited to use this pan. I will be making another video with more detail and actually cooking on it. I'm out. Really nice.